Hello, kindergartners. This week we are practicing the O vowel sound, and like all vowels, O makes two sounds, O and Ah. We're going to do our song for the letter O. O makes two sounds, O and Ah. O for oval, Ah for octagon. O and Ah, O and Ah. All right, good job. So, for the long O, I cut out a picture of an oval, pardon me, and I wrote the word oval on the long O side. Underneath oval, we have the word oat, like what oatmeal is made out of. Next, we have open. Underneath open is ocean. Then we have old. And the last one on our long O list is over. On our short O side, the first one was the octagon. And on the back of the octagon, I wrote the word S-T-O-P, spells stop. A stop sign is an octagon. Now we have the word opposite. Underneath that is octopus. An octagon has 8 sides. How many tentacles do you think an octopus has? 8, correct. Underneath that we have the otter. And the last one on our list is omelet. Have any of you ever eaten an omelet before? All right, so now you know some words that begin with long O and short O. Have a good day, boys and girls.